Morning children, welcome back to Max Track 1 session. In yesterday's class, we have gone through exercise 1.1 completion and 1.2 three sums, that is representation of rational number on a number line. Now what we learned in the earlier class, like between numbers, you all know very well. Suppose if I ask a small question like this, 1 and 3. I am asking you here, what number comes in between 1 and 3? Then you can say very easily. Why? Because this one you learn in earlier class, that is lower class, like even LKG, UKG, like that. So you can tell very easily 2. That means find in the middle number. Similarly, means find between number also you can say. What is the between number between 5 and 7? Means in between 5 and 7 what you will get? 6. So these are all very easy. Okay, now in this only again two more questions are there. Now is asking find a rational number. Rational numbers you know, no fraction form. Find a rational. A means single, ఒకటండి. Okay, listen. Why I am little bit telling in Telugu means at least some parents are requesting to just tell to understand the concept for them also. So for that purpose we are using some words like that. Okay. So find the number in between 5 and 7 means you can write very easily 6. Now here in this session we have to learn how to find out a rational number between rational numbers, two rational numbers. How to find out a rational number. A అంటే తెలుగులో ఒకటండి. ఓకే, సో ఒక రేషనల్ నంబర్ రెండు రేషనల్ నంబర్ మధ్యలో ఒక రేషనల్ నంబర్ ఎలా వస్తుంది? How to find? There is a formula that I am going to tell you. Okay, is it very clear? How to find out a rational? A means single. A single rational number will come in between two numbers, two rational numbers. That I am going to tell you. Then we have a direct formula for that. But whereas the question may ask find 5 or 6 or 10 rational numbers in between two rational numbers. They'll give you two rational numbers, this side one, two rational numbers, they'll give you two rational numbers, and they ask the question find 5 or 10 or 11 or 100 rational numbers in between those two rational numbers. For that also we have very easy trick. Okay, now get ready for that. Okay, is it clear now? Listen. See here, I am giving you just one formula here. How to find out a rational number. A means I told you no single rational number. Note down in your CW. To find a rational number. To find a rational number between R and S, means R and S are any numbers, any rational numbers. R and S are any rational numbers. To find a rational number, A means single rational number between R and S. To find a rational number between R and S is R plus S by 2. R plus S by 2. That means whatever the numbers they are giving, we have to add and divide it by 2. Okay, listen now. I am giving you one example also now. Find a rational number. This one also you can note down in your CW after this example. Find a rational number. Find a rational number between 2 and 3. Find a rational numbers between 2 and 3. See, 2 and 3. Actually, we know as in the lower classes and earlier classes, means previous classes, 2 and 3. 2 after immediately 3. But is asking rational number in between 2 and 3. So now, same formula you have to use here. R means here 2, S means here 3. That means 2 plus 3 by 2. It's nothing but 2 plus 3 how much? 5. So 5 by 2. So this is the rational number between 2 and 3. So 5 by 2 is a rational number in between 2 and 3. Is it clear? This is how to find out a single rational number. Now if they ask in between 2 and 3, they ask 10 rational numbers. In between 2 and 3, they ask 10, 15, 20, 3, 4, 5. How you are going to find out? So that one also I am going to tell you now. Okay? Listen very carefully, children. Now here I am explaining from your exercise 1.2. Okay? 1.2, fourth question I am explaining. Find 10 rational numbers between minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. How many? Find 10 rational numbers between minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. Okay. So, minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. How many rational numbers is asking in between these two? 10 rational numbers. Okay. Children, here I will tell you a small story. Okay, you will understand very easily. Okay, because now it was related also. Very small story, I will not take much time. In olden days, we don't have the facilities like telephones, means like mobiles. At present, what we are using, landlines or nothing. There is communication is only through postcards, or that means letters. England means England letters or postcards, they used to call like that. So only communication through that. That means to find out how there are family members or any relation like your aunt, uncle are there in other state or any other country, like that. They used to do only through what? Only postcard. So that is only the communication. And if you want to see your means like your relatives, suppose if you want to see a relatives who are staying in any other village, okay, how you will go? First of all, at present so many facilities are there. Okay, that time also few facilities are there, but there is a transport facility. Yes or no? There is a transport facility to go from here and to here to there. But only the problem is there is no facility of mobiles, landlines, etc. Whatever it may be. Computers, laptops, nothing. Because that time no internet only. There, but this much not usage of that. And no one knows that about mobiles and what we'll call it through WhatsApp video calls. Nothing. That time nothing is there. Then how you want to see a relatives means just only simply without telling them, means today I am coming. How they know? They don't know. వాళ్ళకి తెలియదు కదా నువ్వు వస్తున్నట్టు కదా, లేదా మీ ఇంటికి వస్తున్నారు అనుకుందాం present. Okay, suppose మీ ఇంట్లోనే అనుకుందాం. Suppose you are there 4 members in your family. In your family how many members? 4 members. So మన చుట్టాలు అంటే రిలేటివ్స్. అనుకోకుండా రిలేటివ్స్ వచ్చారు. నాట్ నౌ, ఇన్ ద ఓల్డెన్ డేస్ ఐఎమ్ టెలింగ్ యూ. ఓకే, రిలేటివ్స్ అనుకోకుండా వచ్చారు. ఓకే, ఒక 3 members వచ్చారు అనుకుందాం. హౌ మెనీ మెంబర్స్? 3 members కేమ్ ఫ్రమ్ సమ్ ఇది నియర్ బై అవర్ విలేజ్. ఓకే, నియర్ రాజమండ్రి ఆర్ సంథింగ్, వైజాగ్, లైక్ దట్ యూ కెన్ సే. సో ఫ్రమ్ దేర్ దే కేమ్ exactly at the time of lunch time. Then how you don't know that they are coming, but you cook the rice for only for 4 members or ఒక్క ఎక్స్ట్రా, కొద్దిగా ఎక్స్ట్రా అవుతుంది మేబీ, అంతే. అంతకన్నా యూ కెనాట్ కుక్ ఫర్ 10 members 11 members లైక్ దట్ నో. సో 4 members అంటే అట్లీస్ట్ కొంచెం 5 members తినేటట్టు మనం కుక్ చేస్తాం. ఓకే, ఎవ్రీథింగ్ వాట్ ఎవర్ ద డిష్ వీఆర్ కుకింగ్ ఆన్ దట్ డే. బట్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ సడన్ వాట్ హ్యాపెండ్? Relatives have came. So again we have to start cooking. Yes, are you thinking like that? No, I'll tell you the secret behind present situation and the past situation. Now present means if any members comes, how many members? No problem, we are ordering for Swiggy or Zomato, so within half an hour we are getting the food. Yes or no? But at that time there is no facilities like this. So that's why what they used to do in a family, compulsory at least for 3 or 4 members కి ఫుడ్ కుక్ చేసి ఉంచేవారు సార్. ఎవరైనా చుట్టాలు అనుకోకుండా వస్తారేమో అని, అంటే రిలేటివ్స్ అనుకోకుండా ఆల్ ఆఫ్ సడన్ వస్తారు. బికాస్ వాళ్ళ కమ్యూనికేషన్ లేదు. ఫోన్ చేసి ఐఎమ్ కమింగ్ టుడే అంటే దట్ ఈస్ నో ప్రాబ్లం. బట్ అక్కడ ఫెసిలిటీస్ లేవు, దెర్ ఈస్ నో ఫెసిలిటీస్. సో వాట్ హ్యాపెన్, అప్పుడు ఒక 4 members 5 members వచ్చారనుకో, ఆల్ ఆఫ్ సడన్ కుక్ చేయడానికి టైం పట్టేస్తుంది. అవునా, హార్డ్లీ 1 hour or 1.5 hours ఇట్ విల్ టేక్ టైం. సో అందుకనే ఓల్డెన్ డేస్లో ఏం చేసేవారంటే దే ఈజ్ టు కుక్ అట్లీస్ట్ ఫర్ 4 or 5 members. ఎవరన్నా వచ్చినా ఇమీడియట్గా భోజనం సరిపోతుంది అన్న ఫీలింగ్లో దే ఈజ్ టు కుక్ ఫుడ్ ఫర్ దోస్ మనీ మెంబర్స్ ఎక్స్ట్రా. అంటే మనం నలుగురు వీఆర్ 4, 4 కాకుండా ఎక్స్ట్రా ఒక 5 members or 6 members ఫుడ్ ఉంచేటట్టు ఉండరు. యూ మే గెట్ డౌట్, సార్ మరి ఇఫ్ దే విల్ నాట్ కమ్, మరి ఈవినింగ్ ఓకే దే ఈజ్ టు అడ్జస్ట్ ఇన్ ద ఈవినింగ్, ఆర్ ఇంకా మిగిలిపోతే దట్ టైం దే ఈజ్ టు గివ్ ఫర్ అదర్స్. అప్పుడు చాలా హెల్పింగ్ నేచర్ అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఉంది, బట్ ఐఎమ్ నాట్ టెల్లింగ్ దట్. కొంచెం అందరికి అలా ఇచ్చి చేసేవారు అనమాట. దే నెవర్ వేస్ట్ ద ఫుడ్. అప్పుడు అసలు ఫుడ్ని వేస్ట్ చేసేవారు కాదు. ఓకే, ఇస్ ఇట్ క్లియర్ నౌ? ఓకే, నా వై ఐ టోల్డ్ ది స్టోరీ. ఇప్పుడు ఈ స్టోరీ దీనికి ఈ సమ్కి రిలేషన్, వాట్ ఈస్ ద రిలేషన్ బిట్వీన్ దట్ స్టోరీ అండ్ దిస్ స్టోరీ? దిస్ సమ్ మీన్స్ లిసన్ వెరీ కేర్ఫుల్లీ. Here the question he asked, find 10 rational numbers between -2/5 and 1/2. So exactly 10 అడుగుతున్నాడు వాడు. Is asking only 10 numbers. If you take 10 exactly, you are not going to get the exact numbers between -2/5 and 1/2. Some cases లో రావచ్చు. In some cases you may get, but sometimes 90% chances are not there. అంటే మీకు సమ్ చెప్తేనే కానీ క్లియర్గా అర్థం అవ్వదు. లిసన్ వెరీ కేర్ఫుల్లీ. ద వెరీ ఫస్ట్ థింగ్ ఈస్, ఫస్ట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ -2/5 and 1/2. How many they asked to find 10 rational numbers in between these two? To find 10 rational numbers in between these two means, first of all, these two denominators should be equal. First make this one into, make these two denominators equal first. Okay, 2/5. Okay, no need to write again question. What is the LCM of 5 and 2, children? 5 and 2 LCM is 10. So write here 10. What is the LCM of 5 and 2? 10. Now in 5 table 10 how many times? 2. 2 2s are 4. So -4. And 2 table 10 how many times? 5. 5 1s are 5. So -4/10 and 5/10. -4/10 and -5/10. First we will check, means cross check చేసుకుందాం. We will first do cross check whether all the 10 numbers in between these two are coming or not. If it is coming, no need to go for the story. That means that you feel that day no one came to our house. If it is all the 10 numbers are coming after finding the LCM, for every number, for any time, these both the denominators should be equal. If they are not equal, you have to find the LCM and you have to make equal denominators. After that, just once do cross check. Here -4, no? Next -4 means -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That means you can write here -3/10, -2/10, -1/10, 0/10, 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, 4/10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Means we have to write in between -4 and 5. So 5 కన్నా తక్కువ, -4 కన్నా ఎక్కువ. So we have to write more than -4 and less than 5. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 only we are getting. We are getting only 8. But he asked how many? 10. So that time you do small favor to this sum. Okay? You have to do small favor. Very small favor to this sum. See here. -4/10 is there, no? Write here -4/10. And down you write here 5/10. Now do what process you are doing for this. The same process you have to do for this. minus 4 by 10, 5 by 10. What you are doing for this, the same thing it should be done for 5 by 10 also. So, you did not get the 10. 10 rational numbers manaku raale. Only we got 8. So, that's why do one thing. He asked 10 no, okay, 3 or 4 extra తీసుకోండి, 5 extra తీసుకోండి, no problem. 10 plus 5, how much? 15. Okay. So, he asked 10, but మనం 15 తీసుకున్నాం. Because we tried it, ఇలా ట్రై చేసాం మనం, రాలేదు. సో దట్స్ వై, అంటే దట్ డే రిలేటివ్స్ కేమ్ అనుకోకుండా రిలేటివ్స్ వచ్చారు అనుకున్నాం. ఆల్రెడీ డైలీ దే ఆర్ కుకింగ్, బట్ రిలేటివ్స్ వచ్చారు. చూడండి, నా minus 4 by 10, వాడు అడిగింది ఏంటి? 10 rational numbers. ఈజ్ ఆస్క్డ్ 10 rational numbers. So take at least 5 extra. So 15 you write. He asked 10, so write for 15. 15 by 15. What you are doing for numerator, the same thing you have to do for denominator. Again you did here 15 by 15, no? The same thing for this one also. 15 by 15. Multiply here. 4 into 15. Minus 4 into 15. Minus 15 4s are 60. 10 into 15. 150. Next. 5 into 15, 5 5s are 25, 2, 5 1s are 5, 2, 7. 15 into 10, 150. I told, he asked the question 10. Can man when తీసుకున్నాం 10 అడిగితే 5 extra, 15 తీసుకున్నాం. So 15 no, so minus 4 into 15, that is minus 60. What you are doing for the numerator, the same thing you have to do for the denominator. What you are doing for this, the same thing you have to do for this question also. So, after multiplication you got minus 60 by 150 and here 75 by 150. Now find numbers between these two. Find numbers in between these two. Here minus 60, no? Next, minus 60 means next number how much it will be? Can you tell me what is the next number? If you want less number means, I will tell you one small logic. So write here minus 59 by 150. Next, minus 58 by 150. Okay. Next, minus 57 by 150. Like that, you have to write 10. Like that, how many you have to write? 10. Okay. Minus 56 by 150. Minus 57 by 150. Minus 59, 58, 57, 56, 55. 54 by 150. Next, minus 53 by 150. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Minus 52 by 150, comma, minus 51 by 150, minus 50 by 150. Okay, so these are all the rational numbers which lies in between minus 60 by 150 and 75 by 150. Okay, while going on, what will happen? You will get a positive number. Then again, after getting a positive number, suppose 0 will get 0 by 150. Next 1 by 150, 2 by 250, 3 by up to 75 you can go. And is it clear? Once again I am telling you children. He asked to find 10 rational numbers between minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. Listen very carefully. Minus 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. I know that you may not understand first time. So that's why I am repeating here. Minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2 is asking 10 rational numbers between these two. Okay. 10 rational numbers between these two. So to find 10 rational or whatever the rational numbers may be, the first thing is both the denominators should be equal. Both the denominators should be equal. But here 5 and 2 both are not same. So to make the denominators equal, we have a chance of finding an LCM. So find LCM for 5 and 2, 10. 5 table 10, 2 times. 2 2s are 4. 2 in 2 table 10, 5 times. 5 1s are 5. Now minus 4 by 10. That means this 10 belongs to both this and this. And 5 by 10. Okay. Now write this one minus 4 by 10 and 5 by 10. and you checked here. You checked here, no? You did not get 10. Only you got 8. But the question is 10. So that's why take 10 he asked means 15. You want, you can take 20. You can take 12. You can write 13. Whatever it may be. But more than 10. Don't take 11 exactly. Sometimes you may not got. So that's why at least 5 you go. More, okay? 5 more than 5. Your wish. So I went for 15. Now 10 he asked. I went for 5 extra. So 15. So 15 by 15, 15 by 15. Minus 4 into 15 is minus 60 and 10 into 15 is 150. Similarly 75 by 150. Now write the numbers in between these two. Okay. If you want to write like this, you can write. Okay. Minus 59 by 160, minus 58, minus 57, minus 56, 55, 54, 53, 52, minus 51, minus 50, so on. So 10 is enough. Okay. You can write here are 10 rational numbers. 10 rational numbers between minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 5. Minus 2 by 5 and sorry 1 by 2. Minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. If I will go with one more example, this means one more sum, you can understand very clearly. Okay children, are you able to see? So see once, I think you can see now last one. Okay, what I wrote here are 10 rational numbers between minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. Now I will do the fifth sum children, fifth Roman. First one I will do. The first one is 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. What is the question he given, you know? Find 5 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. Find 5 rational numbers. So he asked 5 rational numbers. Now what is the first thing you have to do? The first thing you have to check that both the denominators are same or not. Okay. So first write 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. Okay. Now for 3 and 5 LCM is 15. In 3 table 15 5 times. 5 2s are 10. And 5 table 15 3 times. 3 4s are 12. So 10 by 15 and 12 by 15. So 10 after 11, 11 by 15 only. So 1 only are getting. But how many asked? 5 he asked. So to find 5, what to do now? Take 5 more extra. So first write 10 by 15. 10 by 15 into 10 by 10. He asked 5. So we are taking 5 more extra. So 5 plus 5 total 10. So 10 by 10. So 10 tens are 100, 15 tens are 150. Now the same thing you have to do for this. 12 by 15 into 10 by 10. 12 tens are 120, 15 tens are 150. Okay. Now 100. 101, 102 by 150. 103 by 150, 104 by 150, 105 by 150. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is less than 120. So no problem. Are 5 rational numbers between 5 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. Now, by this, we completed PA1 syllabus, that is my track 1 session. Chapter 1 is successfully completed. So, you go for the homework, maths homework 25, 6, 21, Friday. Exercise 1.2, page number 20. I finished first Roman, first one. So, first Roman, second one, homework. Okay? First Roman, second one, homework. Next, second one question finished. Third one over. No, we finished already this one, no? I hope we finished all this. Once check your homework. Maths homework 25/6/21 Friday. Fifth Roman I finished. Sixth Roman, fourth Roman I finished. Fifth Roman, first one I finished. Fifth Roman means exercise right here. Exercise 1.2. Fifth Roman 2, 3. Okay, fifth Roman 2, 3. Sixth sum and seventh sum. Exercise 1.2, fifth Roman 2, 3, 6 and 7 sums homework. Okay, this is your maths homework. So by this we completed our syllabus, and when the revision time is there, we are going to do revision and we'll give the revision sums model. Okay, if the next class means before exams comes means I will do revision. If any doubts you have, please message me. So basing on that, I'll teach those sums which you have doubt. Okay, is it clear? So have a nice weekend, children.